What's up, you guys? All right, so just got the blow-off valve out. As you can see, this one does vent to atmosphere. This one does not. It's like an OEM style. Besides that, they are all basically the same. Nothing else really changes on that end. So yeah, let's toss this sucker in and let's see what she sounds like. What is up, you guys? Adrian back with a new video, and today is time. We're going to be doing the Pure 500 here. Fortunately, I don't have my tripod. I left it at the shop. Not going to drive all the way over there. So I'm going to film it to the best of my abilities. And yeah, let's get to it, you guys. I'm just not going to really record, honestly, the upper section. It's kind of the same thing as when I did the... As well as doing anything, you would just basically have your T45s here, your E12s over there. The brace comes off, you know, that's basically it. All you would need, take off your intake pipe, and just take off the white bud there. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, you guys, little update. Got that all sorted out, all taken apart there, as you guys can see. So, next up, we will be draining coolant and oil. Also got to take that off from the outlet pipe. But yeah, I'm going to be lifting up the car in a few. Let's keep chucking at it and working our way to it. All right, you guys. So you guys can see, I got 2 buckets down here, draining currently some coolant and some oil at the same time, making progress slowly but surely. Next up, I will be. I forgot the subframe. I mean, the sway bar goes up in here, which is why you got to disconnect the rack. So, seen people disconnecting the shaft and stuff and all that. I might just remove the bolts, sag it forward, and once I take out the water pump, see how far I can get. So let's keep working and see how much more we can get done, what else needs to get removed, and let's keep chipping away at it. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Alrighty, guys, what's up? So a little update here. Already got the drain out, the coolant feed line right there. Inlet is out. Let's see if I can leave it in there somehow. I'm gonna disconnect this coolant line right here to the pipe. That's gonna stay on the turbo till I pull it out, take out the 10 mil, whatever else is in there. I will figure out now that needs to be removed, so I'll keep you guys posted. Alrighty, you guys, got this nasty POS out of here. Absolutely disgusting. A couple of them seem chipped, maybe happened when I took it out. The front is honestly pretty cooked, if you guys ask me. Absolutely disgusting. I am filthy. Gonna clean everything all nice and neat before we put it back together. Gonna see the orientation of the lines, what goes where, and continue forward. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's install it and hopefully fire it up pretty soon, you guys. Alrighty, you guys, all the new lines are installed. Don't want to lay it on the turbine. As you can see, everything is new except this one, which I didn't have. I just changed the O-ring, left this loose till I can get it in there and adjust it correctly. So yeah, let's get to it. Alrighty, you guys, so turbo's installed, whole bottom of the car is assembled, steering rack. I'm gonna add some coolant, some oil, give it its first fire up, put the white pipe back on, put the intake on, and let's see how she runs. Sorry I couldn't really film. Like I said, I couldn't really find the tripod anywhere. Weather was looking a little sketch. It finally cleared up, so I didn't even want to waste any time whatsoever with this. So got straight to it, got it done. Let's crank her up and let's see how she sounds. What is up, you guys? Car is officially done. No leaks, just a little bit dirty here. Some coolant on the floor, but she's officially done. Car honestly sounds exactly the same. I have to upload the hybrid turbo map. By the way, I threw on some 305 35 Nito NT01s. Fitment on the rear is absolutely perfect and amazing, you guys. Look at that. Another something else here special, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, but car is coming along, you know. I mean, just look at the stance of the car from the side, you know. So I'm sorry I couldn't really film on the bottom of what I did on the vehicle, but hope you guys enjoy this small little video. It'll kind of be like a little vlog style film, but yeah, definitely stay tuned for a review of the Pure 500. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, what is up, you guys? Adrian back, continuing this video after about a month of driving the car. Wanted to get a overall review, I guess you can say, of the Pure 500. Very happy, very excited to be filming this again. So for starters, the car has a Precision Raceworks Stage 2 low pressure fuel pump. I have a Spool FX 180 high pressure fuel pump. It is not installed. I'm still on a stock high pressure. And I am currently running the OTS Pure Stage 2 map. Obviously it's not correct. It was just to get the car running because of the bigger inlet, the intake, and the AFRs were just all over the place. It's not perfect. I don't recommend, you know, racing the car like this. AFRs are terrible. I did a log with my dad and we had to make a few adjustments to it. So definitely don't recommend that. It's running very lean, probably due to the high pressure pump. But as far as the car, how it's pulling, it feels honestly amazing. Obviously the leaner the car is, the more dangerous it is, but it can also make a lot more power. So definitely let's see what happens. I did a launch this morning a little bit, first, second, and third. I did a pull a couple days ago. I'll do like another 20 roll now, just so you guys can kind of see it a little bit, and then yeah, get you guys input on it. The exhaust is a little bit louder, nothing crazy, but yeah, definitely happy with the car. Been driving smooth. This is just in Sport Plus on drive, and it drives amazing. Let me turn the camera. All right, I put it in ultra wide, so this is just drive. Obviously it doesn't show the gear selector, M3 GWS, so it doesn't actually stay in manual mode. I can use the paddles, but not the actual GWS. That's just comfort, you know, but AC's on. That's manual mode now. These pops are the OEM pops, by the way, on OEM. They're just 1.5 seconds, or 1.1 seconds, whatever I set it up to. But the car is definitely a lot better. I like it more than having them on soft. They were too obnoxious before, especially since it has a super mid pipe with no resonator and the OEM M4 muffler. But I think it's amazing. Let me lower the windows just a little hair. It's so humid out lately, you guys. Ooh, hello. See how the pops aren't too loud there? It sounds very nice. I'm super happy with it. That's under a little bridge there, nothing crazy, you know. So sounds like a little Scooby-Doo pop, you know. But yeah, definitely super happy with the car, you guys. I'm not racing the car. I did that one log that day just to see how the car was running, and of course I had a feeling it was running, but it could be running a little bit better. Also another thing, my water pump for my heat exchanger is giving me issues, so the car is running a little hot, actually quite a bit hot. It's running within 115 and 120. The water pump turns on and turns off. There's an issue with the pump, so gonna do Shelby GT500 heat exchanger pump from Ford Performance. Instead of flowing 5 gallons per minute, it does, I think it's 20 gallons per minute, something crazy like that. But yeah, guys, super happy with it. So let's get on some open road up here. I have the phone in my hand right now, so all right, so let's do a little pull here. I'm just gonna roll onto it, okay? And the car is heat soaked, like I said, so it's not pulling as it should. It's also running a little lean. So don't recommend racing the car like this. Let's put the windows back up. But yeah, I ordered from Spool a new Micron filter, which mine was damaged, so I have never installed it. And one of the fuel lines, it looks to have been kinked since I got it used from a buddy. But yeah, besides that, the car's been great. Put it back in comfort. The valve's closed, you can't even hear the exhaust. But yeah, guys, honestly, be happy. Besides that, So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I know my video on the actual install wasn't the best, and yeah, it was very small, very quick. I explained it, not the best, but it was gonna rain. I didn't have my tripod, unfortunately, and nobody was there to further assist me, and it needed to get done. The turbo lines were leaking from the drain, turbo was consuming oil, and the whole nine. You know how it is with the BMW. So unfortunately, sometimes maybe the short, simple, quick videos help people. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.